welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can change your Apple ID's email address. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, you want to open the setting of your phone. Once you open the setting of your iPhone, at the top it's going to show you your iPhone's name. My iPhone's name is Richie Kevin, but yours is going to be different, so click on it. Now once you're over here, the option called name, phone number, email, you want to click on it. And once you do that, it's going to bring you over here. Now once you're inside your email and phone number changing place, you can see the small little edit button which is right beside contactable add, or you can see it right below my name Richie Kevin. You can see the edit button. Click on edit now. Once you click on edit, you can see this option called add email or phone number. You want to click on add email or phone number and choose add an email address. Once you click on add an email address, it's going to bring you over here. Now over here you can enter your new email. So I'm going to enter my new email over here. Now once you enter your new email, click on next at the top right, and it's going to send a verification code to your email. So go to your email and check the verification code sent by Apple. So as you guys can see, I just got my verification code. I'm going to type this in now. Now once you enter your new email, as you guys can see, now I have 2 email and 1 phone number. Now what I can do is basically just remove my old email. And how I can remove my old email is click on the edit button again. Once I click on the edit button again, I can see this little minus icon right beside my email. So what I can do is click on the minus icon right beside the old email. And right beside the old email, you can see this delete option, and once you click on delete, it's going to show you this. So I'm going to click on remove. Once I do that, my old email will be removed and my new email will be set. And just like this, you guys can put a new email and then remove your older email, and then just like this, you change your Apple email. That's how you guys can change your Apple ID email. Hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys next time.